Okay, this lesson is Chapter 6, Lesson 1, Powers and Exponents. So this actually is a pretty quick, easy lesson. First, we're going to see what number they wrote. That's the number 2, so we're going to write 2. Then we're going to count how many 2's there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to put a little exponent right at the top. So that's 2/4. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. I'm just going to make it down here bigger so we can label what a base and what a power is. So we're going to rewrite this, the 2 really big, and write the 4 pretty small up at the right-hand corner. This big number, that tells you how many numbers there are. That is the base. And this number right here, that is the exponent. So let's take a look over here. The base of a power is the factor that is multiplied repeatedly in the power. The exponent of the power is the number of times the base is used as a factor of the repeated multiplication. So let's do some examples down here. The number is 7, so we're going to write 7. Then we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 of them. That's all you do. The number here is 9. So write 9. Then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the number is 4, and there's 3 of them. So that's how you write a product as a power. Now when we do the opposite, powers as a product, you have to do a little bit more. So we're going to write each power as a product with the same factor. So we're going to start with 5 squared. This little number tells us how many times we have to write that number. So it's 5 times 5, and then the value is obviously 25. So it's not 5 times 2. This number tells us how many times we have to do that number. Our next one I'm going to show you is 2.1 squared. That means I'm going to write 2.1 twice. So 2.1 times 2.1. I'm going to multiply that. So I get 1, 2. So my answer is 4.41. I'm also going to show you that we can also do this with fractions. So if I have 1/4 squared, that means I'm going to do 1/4 times 1/4. I'm just going to multiply straight across. And I'm going to get 1/16. I'm going to do one more with you. It's going to be a little bit of a bigger one because we can have more than just an exponent of 2. So 10 to the 5th, that means we're going to do 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. So I'm going to go, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So I'm going to need 5 zeros in my answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my answer is 100,000. That's all you have to do for powers and exponents.